Welcome back. Here again with Beauty Forever hair. It's the same packaging as usual, you know. There's a wig, and then we got some goodies. So there's a goodie bag. So let's see what we got in the goodie bag. First, got this patterned elastic headband, a pair of the HD wig caps. I got a branded pair of eyelashes, and then a brush. I also got a elastic headband that's branded Beauty Forever. That's nice. I got a drawstring branded bag, perfect for storage, and I got another pair of the HD wig caps. So yeah, that's everything for today's wig that we are working with from Beauty Forever. It is the 13x4 lace front jerry curl TL412 honey blonde color, 24 inches wig. And as you can see, yeah, it's really beautiful. It has that whole piano vibe going on. Curls are really nice and tight. I also love the color job. It's nicely done. And as I said, it's a 13x4 vibe. Okay, it also has a total of 3 combs on the inside of the cap, as well as a adjustable elastic band. So if you need to, you know, make it more secure in your head, you can go ahead and just adjust this elastic band, which I think is a really good touch to your wig, especially if you want to go glueless. And it does have adjustable straps in the back as well, so you could go ahead and adjust it to how tight or loose you want it to be. Yeah, it looks pretty standard, and it feels very full and nice. You know, it's processed hair, so it does like feel like on the coarser side, so bear that in mind. Am I getting any shedding? I got like 1 strand. Yeah, I'm getting minimal shedding. So yeah, but it's really full and I love that, you know. Yeah, really beautiful curl pattern, giving Beyonce all the way for sure. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into installing this right away. It's really gorgeous. So oh, and the lace is also lightly pre-plucked, so you don't have to get all worked up to pluck it any further. I personally won't touch it. It looks pretty nice and natural, and the lace portion looks like this, medium brown. So it's a go. Love it. So let's get to this installation. So I went ahead, cut off the excess lace, so you know I could install the wig. I can install the wig comfortably. Today I really feel like I want to do a half up, half down, because I was just wearing a similar color like hair look, and I just feel like I want to switch it up. So yeah, but this is so snug. I definitely adjusted the elastic band as you guys saw in the previous clip, so I just want to go ahead and, you know, take my time and install this. Is so nice. It is so nice. This color is definitely giving fall, so I'm loving that. So I'm just gonna go ahead, and I feel like I would sew just like, yeah, I'm gonna use glue today. I'm gonna use glue for this installation. I'm just cutting away around the ear portion to ensure that it fits properly. I already cleansed the area here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take this, my Lace Be Gone glue. This is a strong whole waterproof glue. I'm just gonna take like a layer and a half for today's installation, and I'm gonna make it really nice and just melt it. So I'm gonna just speed through this portion.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours.
So guys, I went ahead, installed it, removed the excessness, all that good stuff. So I'm just working on the ponytail, which I want to be pretty nice and flat. So I'm just gonna take my little time and go through it with my hot comb. And I'm gonna take my wax stick to just go through the portion that I want to put in a ponytail, section by section.
Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh.
I'm almost done with doing my ponytail. I want it to lay really flat, but first I'm just gonna do light swoops. You really don't have to. The hairline on this looks so good, but yeah, I'm just gonna do like just light swoop, something really light. So that's all I'm working on, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put it in a ponytail. But it's been so easy to install so far.
Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't want to show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before.
It came out so good. Like, it was really manageable for me to style then. Like, very manageable hair. Honestly, I love the volume. I'd really love to leave it like this, but I also want to show you guys how good it does look wet as well. I feel like it looks so good in its dry state. And I mean, the way I'm gonna wet it to, it will pop right up back easily. I'm just gonna, you know, wet it to define the curls even more. But it is so pretty. The hairline looks so good. I told you, very light swoops. You don't have to do it. So if you don't want to do it, please, you don't have to. I felt like doing it today, so please don't come for me in the comments. And then I feel like I give you guys so much options installing wigs where I don't do any baby hairs, I don't do any swoops. So if I do swoops, you know, here and there, I think you should let me live. So yeah, I just did really light swoops on that. And the hair was really easy to put in a ponytail because I went ahead and sectioned it up and used my hot comb to really get it nice and flat. I love. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just take a little bit of hair mask in combination with water to get it really nice and wet.
The broken pieces took 'em all and made yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher.
I'm all done with the wig. I'm all done with the installation, guys. It turned out so good. Such a pretty curl pattern. Like, it's really tight, but you know, it's not hard to deal with at all. I definitely got minimal shedding, so be mindful of that. As I said, the hair is on the coarser texture because it is processed and it's curly. So I mean, it's a given, but it lays so flat. The lace looks good. Like, it looks really good. Like, I can't complain. It's doing what it's supposed to do. It looks exactly how I wanted it to look after I did the whole half up, half down. This is how everything looks now after I wet it, but soon it will get like voluminous again when it dries down. What I used was just some water in my spray bottle and some of this hair mask. That's it, just a little bit of that, and this is how we're looking. So Beauty Forever hair, you did that. Today's install is really nice, and you guys know the drill. I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to the wig in my description box, so check that out, as well as the specifications. Everything will be listed. If there's any sale, any deal, any discount whatsoever, it will be listed in my description box, so please go ahead, check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching today's wig video, and I hope you found it informative. You know, if you like it, go ahead and give it a thumb up. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and do so, because I'm very consistent over here. Okay, very consistent. We do chit chat, get ready with me's, we do makeup looks, everything. It's just the beauty stop yeah, the ultimate beauty stop. So yeah, thank you guys so much for checking out today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.